Today, we are going to install the Cradlepoint E100 into the RM-CR-T4 from Rackmount.IT. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Included in the box is the 19-inch rack mount kit, 1 front plate, 6 cables, and 3 zip ties. Optionally, you can remove the metal circles on the rack with a screwdriver and hammer from the back of the Cradlepoint and connect pigtails to the created holes. Pigtails are not provided. Place your Cradlepoint appliance on the rack by sliding it through the brackets from the back. Push the cutout, located on the rack behind the appliance, upwards to keep the appliance in place. Connect the power cable to the Cradlepoint. Secure the cable with a zip tie on the rack. Connect the cables from your Cradlepoint to the connectors. Use 2 zip ties to hold the cables together. You are done installing the appliance into the rack mount kit. Double check to ensure all pieces are secured. Place your Cradlepoint rack mount in your 19-inch cabinet. Install the front plate below the rack mount kit. Together, they are 2U high. If you have any questions about Rackmount IT products, visit us online, Rackmount.IT.